Hey all, welcome to the vlog. This is my YouTube channel dedicated to my ongoing beginner's journey with watches. Take note that I'm not an expert. I'm not a horology master. I am merely somebody chronicling his journey in collecting and discovering new watches. And for today's episode, I'm going to share with you two pickups, two brand new G-Shocks that my wife and I bought for one another. So, tara, let's go. Wristwatch check of the day. This is actually a brand new panerai that I got for myself. I'm not supposed to show it because this is supposed to be in another vlog. So watch out for the unboxing and review of this panerai very soon. So these two watches are part of the new G-Shock, the Savage 5 series by Jaehan Lo, aka the 5 Tiger Generals. Apparently, each watch is inspired by 5 elements / 5 virtues of Confucianism, and I think it's also part of some sort of Chinese novel or story. Now, each element, each virtue represents like a particular design and a particular model of G-Shock. So we bought two. One stands for like propriety, which is the King of G-Shock model, which I got for myself, and the other one is about wisdom, black and gold. So I'll show you first the King G-Shock model that I got for me. Before anything, here's what the boxes look like. So it's very different from your typical G-Shock box. This one has like a print at the top, has different Chinese characters, and the tin inside also looks the same. Now for the watch itself, bam, take a look at that beast. It is enormous. It is ginormous. It is the King of G-Shock GX56 SG7 2PF Blue. That is a really long name. And this one apparently stands for water and propriety. I kind of find it weird that something massive like this would stand for propriety. But anyway, the great thing about this watch is that it is one of the chunkiest, biggest watches of G-Shock. And if you're into big watches, if you're into chunky watches, you might want to check this one out. I actually bought this one because big watches, especially colorful ones, actually stand out in the vlog more. So I think some of you who watch my main channel probably would have noticed me wearing this particular piece in the last few days. Now, in terms of features, this is mud resistant, it is shock resistant, it is 200-meter water resistant, and it does have a mineral glass, which is supposed to be, shatter resistant. The case, the bezel, and the band is made from high-quality resin, which allows for it to be very durable. Now, in terms of design, it does come in two dominant colors. Obviously, one's a darker shade of blue, and you do see like a lighter shade of blue in the buttons for the controls of the watch. In terms of the watch face, it is dominantly black. It does have like a pink label at the middle that says shock absorber, and it does say also G-Shock and protection at the bezel. You do have like wavy elements in different parts of the strap and the case, which might be like obviously inspired by water. In terms of features, just like with any King of G-Shock models or G-Shock models in general, this one is packed, as in packed. For the backlight, if it's dark, you can actually turn on the electroluminescent backlight. It is also solar powered. It has world time. That's 31 time zones and 48 cities plus coordinated universal time. It has a stopwatch, a countdown timer, alarms, hourly time signals, a full auto calendar up until 2099, a battery level indicator, and power saving mode. Feature packed, chunky, blue. Check this one out. Now, the second piece that we got, and this one was actually picked by the wife, is something that stands, I think, for wisdom, and I think that fits the bill of the wife very well. You know, if there's one thing I've learned being married for 10 years and being together with that woman for 10 years prior, so we've been together for 10 years, is that you save yourself a lot of trouble if you listen to your wife. So there's a lot of wisdom there. So she picked this one because obviously the case size is not as big. It is easier to wear, not just for women, but for people with different wrist sizes in general. This one also has like that shiny black gold color, which makes it look a little bit more elegant, especially if you take a look at near the band. There are more elements and visuals which make it look really dope and stand out. And I also love like the band over here at the bottom that says G-Shock. By the way, I forgot to mention, they also have like special case backs. So if you take a look at the case backs of either one, they're different compared to your traditional G-Shocks. Quick note, this black gold model apparently can connect to your smartphone, and it is not mud resistant as opposed to the King of G-Shock model that I just showed you earlier. So if you want ultimate ruggedness, you can go for this particular piece. Now, like what I mentioned earlier, there are 3 more pieces. They represent like 5 virtues or 5 elements. The 5 elements are wood, fire, earth, metal, and water, and the 5 virtues of Confucianism are righteousness, faith, wisdom, benevolence, and propriety. So just pick the one that connects to you the most if you want to buy one, because at the end of the day, the reality is there are a ton of really good watches out there. There are a ton of really good G-Shock models out there. So you shouldn't just be buying one for the heck of it. Buy one that really connects with you and, you know, emotionally on a more personal level. So if there can be like a nice story, you know, that you can build out of like buying this piece, it's about, you know, especially with the story of the virtues or the elements, then you might want to pick one up. We got our watches from my favorite watch shop, which is atTokyo over at 2nd floor Podium. Shout out to Ricky, Darwin, Daisy, Yvette, and everybody over there. If you guys want to buy watches, make sure to drop by atTokyo over at Podium. Very friendly staff, love the customer service, and love their selection, and of course, their prices. And obviously, this massive chunky blue G-Shock will be my watch of the day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.